Can you believe it? By stitching together simple stock videos and overlaying them with an AI voice, this channel gets millions of views and an estimated monthly income of around $100,000. Want to jump on this trend? Peel back the layers of that mega successful channel. What you'll find: stock videos, synthesized audio, catchy text animations, and a rhythmic background soundtrack. This is the blueprint we're aiming for, but with a twist, our secret weapon. An AI tool that makes videos based on a simple description from you. Effortless and effective, don't you think? Well, you've hit the jackpot, because today I'm going to walk you through creating your own viral sensations like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks with the help of an innovative and free AI tool. Ready to get started? But wait, before we get to the fun part, there's a preliminary step we need to cover. First, it's pivotal to establish a distinct brand. How so? You'll need to pinpoint your specific niche, decide on a brand name, and design a logo. Let's begin. To decide on a niche, opt for something you have a passion for, something that's currently trending. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the Nature Insights category. For a catchy brand name, let's consult ChatGPT. For example, you could ask, "I'm launching a nature-themed YouTube series. What are some catchy name ideas?" How about this one? Wild Wonders. Next up, designing a logo. I'll use Canva, which offers complimentary basic features with an optional 30-day premium trial. Navigate to the search function and type in YouTube logo template. Then select the blank template from the options, set backdrop, navigate to graphics, and hunt for an image that complements our brand. Merge your choices. Perfect. Now save your masterpiece. Now you're getting ready to discover this magical AI tool that creates trending videos. This platform is called Flicky. Go to their site and tap on Sign Up. Connect with your Google profile or your email. Next, tap New File and give it a title. I'll label it Cat because it's about a cat clip, and hit Submit. Here you can add your script, choose an AI narration, add video clips, and set subtitles. You can do all of these steps individually, but never mind, we won't prepare it manually. Flicky has introduced an exciting feature that turns your concepts into clips. Let's take a look. Tap on Convert, and then tap on Idea to Video. Here in the idea field, type the video you want. I'm thinking fun facts about cats. Just below, decide on the duration of the video. Short, close to a minute. Average, about 2 minutes. Or long, about 5 minutes. We'll choose short because we want to make viral short videos. Next, choose a style. Our cat clip aims to provide a learning experience, so one might think that the informational format is the most appropriate style. But for a catchy YouTube Shorts, Insta Reel, or TikTok, engagement and keeping viewers interested is crucial. This increases the visibility of the video, making it a sensation. After some experimentation, I discovered that for an instructive yet captivating clip, we should choose the explainer style, then press the Submit button. And there it is. The clip is taking shape in front of our eyes. It took only 35 seconds and it's done. Before viewing, let's set the frame shape. Go to the controls and set the frame portrait. Let's also change the font. Tap on the words, and on the right side we have font options. To make the video capture attention, let's select word by word under the display settings. This will ensure the subtitles appear one word at a time. Adjust its position and choose a font that stands out. Select the word size and animation style. By the way, don't forget the Apply to Similar Layers button at the bottom. Let's hit the play button and take a look.
Facts about cats. Meet the perfect companions, cats. These feline friends have been humans' companions for over 9,000 years. Did you know? Cats have powerful night vision, seeing clearly in nearly total darkness. They also have a unique communication system. A cat's purr can mean anything from contentment to distress. Interestingly, cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping. That's a lot of cat naps. Lastly, a cat's brain is 90% similar to a human's. So, they're just like us, but furrier. Discover more about your feline friends. Cats, they're more than just cute. They're fascinating.
If you want to change the AI voice, it's very simple. Just go to a specific scene and click on the voiceover tag. With so many voice options available, it's easy to find the right voice. Let's work with James. Don't forget to apply it for all scenes.
Fun facts about cats. Meet the perfect companions, cats. These feline friends have been humans' companions for over 9,000 years. Did you know?
Now let me share a nifty trick to elevate the appeal of your video even further. Click on Add Layer within the scene. Next, select the Picture-in-Picture option, followed by the image icon. This will bring up the Media Explorer. At this point, opt for GIF to dive into a plethora of animated options. Find a GIF that complements both the video and the narrative. For instance, I'll hunt for a specific theme. Once you've found the right one, click on it for instant addition. Don't forget to adjust its position and scale for that perfect fit. All right, let's press play.
Did you know? Cats have powerful night vision, seeing clearly in nearly total darkness.
Oh, it's perfect. I love how it turned out. Let's repeat this development for the remaining scenes. Once all the edits are done, it's time to make a copy. Click the Download button, and then the Start Export button. It takes a little patience while the video is being processed. But don't worry, you will be notified immediately via email when it is ready to download. Or like me, you can grab your coffee and wait on the website. Here's our notification. Click on the download link and then download file to start the transfer to your computer. Let's watch the final result.
Fun facts about cats. Meet the perfect companions, cats. These feline friends have been humans' companions for over 9,000 years. Did you know? Cats have powerful night vision, seeing clearly in nearly total darkness. They also have a unique communication system. A cat's purr can mean anything from contentment to distress. Interestingly, cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping. That's a lot of cat naps. Lastly, a cat's brain is 90% similar to a human's. So, they're just like us, but furrier. Discover more about your feline friends. Cats, they're more than just cute. They're fascinating.
Impressive. It's remarkable how quickly you can craft these videos. Really engaging stuff. Isn't that impressive? I think you get the point now. So believe it or not, even without being tech savvy, you can venture into PC tutorials. Mind-blowing, right? Well, my friends, we've come to the end of this tutorial. I'll be very excited to hear your feedback. Please share your impressions and conclusions in the comments below. If you found this guide useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy creating. Catch you in the next video.